Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to NIUBS Homeschool. I am Farhana Yasmin, assistant teacher of morning shift. Now I am going to take an English literature class for class 3. Our today's topic is Unit 5 synonym antonym question answer and poem 2 will be read today. Today's lecture number 12 and homework number 10 will be given today. Okay dear students, at first let's look at Unit 5. We will do synonym antonym and question answer from this unit today. First word, friendly. Synonym for friendly is amicable and antonym for friendly is unfriendly. Second word, roam. Synonym is travel and antonym for roam is stay. Next word, restless. Synonym for restless is unstable and antonym is relaxed. Let's read again. Friendly, amicable, unfriendly. Roam, travel, stay. Restless, unstable, relaxed. Okay dear students, let's go to question answer now. Number 1, why did Teddy and his mother take Rikki Tikki into their house? Answer, Teddy and his mother took Rikki Tikki into their house because he was very wet from the rain. Question number 2. Was Rikki Tikki frightened? What makes you think so? Answer, Rikki Tikki was not frightened because a mongoose is never frightened. Let's read the question answer again. Number 1. Why did Teddy and his mother take Rikki Tikki into their house? Answer, Teddy and his mother took Rikki Tikki into their house because he was very wet from the rain. Number 2. Was Rikki Tikki frightened? What makes you think so? Answer, Rikki Tikki was not frightened because mongoose is never frightened. Okay dear students, this was Unit 5. We will also read Poem 2 today and this will be your homework. The poem's title is I meant to do my work today. The poem is on page 46 of your book. The poem is on page 46 of your book. This is the second poem for this term and you have to learn it fully and do the homework carefully today. So, I meant to do my work today. The poem is written by Richard Le Gallienne. Let's say the name again, Richard Le Gallienne. When you do your homework, write the poet's name under the title in your homework copy. Write the title of the poem first, then write the name of the poem, be careful of the spelling, and then write the lines of the poem. So let's start reading. I meant to do my work today by Richard Le Gallienne. I meant to do my work today, but a brown bird sang in the apple tree, and a butterfly flitted across the field, and all the leaves were calling me. And the wind went sighing over the land, tossing the grasses to and fro, and the rainbow held out its shining hand. So what could I do but laugh and go? Let's read the poem again, everyone. I meant to do my work today, by Richard Le Gallienne. I meant to do my work today, but a brown bird sang in the apple tree, and a butterfly flitted across the field, and all the leaves were calling me. And the wind went sighing over the land, tossing the grasses to and fro, and the rainbow held out its shining hand. So what could I do but laugh and go? Okay, dear students, read the poem at home again and do the homework carefully. Be careful at the spelling of all the words, especially the poet's name. Okay, dear students, your homework is the poem. This is the second poem for this term and is on page 46 of your book. So do the homework carefully and learn it fully. Okay, dear students, see you in next class. Allah Hafiz.